Hello traders. So let's have a look at Amazon this morning. The past couple of weeks, Amazon got a bit of a bloody nose with Trump picking on them. So what has happened here is we have a weekly indecision bar or a range bar over there. Okay, you can see we're on the weekly chart, and not last week, week before, we had a range bar. We haven't broken out of this range, and with results coming up pretty soon, let's just drill down and see if we can figure out what's happening here. There's a couple of things that you'll notice. You'll see that within the range, we broke to the upside, came back, and we've held the 50% of this range. So remember, the 50% of the range is a pretty critical support level. The next one will be the 61.8 Fibonacci extension of this range. Now, what you can see from a Ichimoku perspective is we have a bearish signal here that Siku span is below price. We've also had a bearish crossover with Kijun Sen and Kijun Sen crossing over on this bar here. Okay, and more importantly though is we are now basically flat, which is pretty typical for periods of when there's indecision or just before results are coming out. So we are kind of flat with no direction and people just waiting to see what's going to happen. But, if you look here, you'll see prices heading to the downside, and we have diversion to the upside here. So to me, this could be the continuation to the downside. Okay, now there's a lot of political noise happening, specifically around Syria as the world goes to war about oil again. And we just come back one down to the 4 hour and have a look here. So from the 4 hour perspective, we are bearish. So we've broken through the cloud here. We've come back, we've tested. So let's just mark it. So we've broke through the cloud there. Okay. Let's make this alright so we can see what we're talking about. Okay. So we've broken through the cloud there. We've retested there. Okay. So the retest is basically held. Now, if I put in my level here, which is this was the previous low, you can see how we're testing, and we've rejected it here. So for me, I can't see more upside immediately. I definitely can see a little bit more downside. The thing that will hold us up right now is Kijun Sen, which is sitting right over there on the 4 hour. Okay, and you can see that the diversion is carrying through on the 4 hour as well. So I'm kind of more bearish than bullish, and looking to see how this thing moves back down to the downside. Now, if we look, where is our 200? There's our 200 moving average there on the 4 hour. And if we just pick it up on the daily, we are far away from it on the daily. So we do have a bearish signal there. We've got another bearish signal here. Ideally, I want this below Kijun Sen, and I want Siku span below the cloud as well. But this moved the downside, we pulled back, and now we are finding resistance on this breakthrough. So in my mind, what we've done is we've broken below this level, and we've tested it once, twice, and we now have printed a inside bar on the daily. And typically that is not a very solid reversal pattern, but it is definitely a reversal pattern. May come to sort of this 50% mark, so 1,403 area. Alternatively, down here, but if we do break below this level, then I suspect we are heading for 1 to 50 areas of probably this breakout here, okay, which would be tested. So yes, I'm not in a hurry to buy into Amazon at the moment. Definitely gonna wait and see what happens this week. It would be pretty interesting to see if we can hold this level here, or even hold this level here, then you can expect a break to the upside. But at this stage, we are range bound, and I suspect we're going to stay in this range for the majority of the week, depending on what the results are later this week. Anyway, guys, that's Amazon. Hope it helped, and I'll catch up with you later.